I brought my team over here. We have Dr. Suman Kovilagedi, the convener of prestigious Moot Court Society of SDM Law College. We also have the one is to tell about and to give the detailed information about the prestigious event of SDM Law College, Lex Ultima 2025, the national level law test, which will be organized from tomorrow onwards until 27th of this month. The second matter which I would like to bring for the attention of media is that under the training and placement cell, we have in the campus placement for all law graduates on 2nd and 3rd May in our college campus. As a media members, obviously you are aware about the fact that if you want to create the good law graduates, good legal professionals, they need to have certain qualities. The qualities of communication, understanding of law and fact, presentation before the courts, doing the extensive research, etc. All these qualities, of course, are being taught in the classes, but the students require additional inputs and lot of other skills which are necessary for them to become a good legal professionals. So 27 years ago, what we thought is that let us have the most good competition among the law colleges, which is going to become win-win situation for our students as well as the students who are come from the outside. The typical moot court competition on the other day was something like this, wherein the case was given in advance, the students will go to prepare the argument, present the argument before the panel of judges, ultimately there will be winners and other prize winners. So we in SDM are known for innovation and creativity. We thought that this type of moot court competition would be very easy for those students who are going to get the help of advocates, prepare themselves and present before the courts, like moot courts. So we thought like this, why can't we go for innovation? Because when we speak about lawyering requires a lot of skills. Lawyer need to understand client, lawyer need to make the compromise negotiation between the clients, lawyer should be expert in trial advocacy, lawyer should be capable of arguing before the High Court and Supreme Court. So let us imagine of one competition wherein all these things are going to be manifested. So we have started with the dual advocacy in the beginning, wherein client counseling was there, trial advocacy was there. But we are not happy. It was whatever success, but still we are not happy. We thought that something else is required to be done. So we went for triple advocacy moot court competition, which is encompassing client counseling, trial advocacy, as well as appellate advocacy. That also we thought that, well, this experiment is okay for us, but let us go for improvement in the experiment. So we thought about all advocacy moot court competition. Remember, I would like to bring you to a kind attention. It is the SDM law college only which has started this type of events in the entire country for the first time. So in all advocacy moot court competition, what we have is that it starts with client counseling, goes for negotiation, results in trial advocacy, goes for the appellate advocacy, and the students are also required to write the judgment about the case. So it is a comprehensive competition wherein all skills of advocates or the students are going to be exposed. They are going to give the opportunity for them to solve examination of clients, conducting of the trials, arguing for the appellate courts, and a host of other skills. Then we also thought like this, why can't we go for some other innovative event? We introduce something called as a bail competition, bail petition competition, public interest litigation, domestic crisis, and host of other events have been introduced to us. And all the competitors are very happy. And today when the SDM will announce saying that there will be annual legal fest called as a law fest called Lex Ultima, the colleges after colleges are willing to come and participate. And even in this year, the National Law School of India University team is also participating in the prestigious event. Of course, you know, National Law School of India University Bangalore is the #1 law institution in India. So this time, tomorrow we'll have the inauguration of Law Fest, which will be inaugurated by none other than Honorable Vice Chancellor of Karnataka State Law University, Dr. Basavaraja sir. And the session is going to be hosted by our distinct alumni, Dr. Sonia K. Das, who is a principal of Government College in Thrissur, and Dr. Akshata Adarsh, she is advocate and notary as well as president of Child Welfare Committee of Western Kannada district. So they will be the guest on that occasion. And this event will be conducted for 3 days. On last day, the Honorable High Court Judge, Mr. Marul Kumar Arun, will preside over the finals and he will give the validity address and distribute the prizes. We are going to organize mega employment events on 2nd as well as 3rd of this particular May, where we are inviting to bring into a kind attention that today umpteen number of opportunities are available for the law graduates,